G'day guys, it's Tim here. We've got a real serious Facebook Live to do tonight, so I thought I would do it in black and white to reflect how important it is, the question that we're going to ask. We had a client ask this question over the weekend, and there's my dog going nuts. Had a client ask this question over the weekend, and we had a lot of fun talking about it today, so we thought it'd be something that'd be really worthwhile to get on and talk to you guys about and get your point of view. First and foremost, just want to say, man, we had a huge response to the question that we asked last week, so thanks a lot everyone for writing their comments and interacting with the post. We really love it when you guys do that. But today, the question that I want to ask today is about Trump, Donald Trump. We know he's the president. None of us really thought he was going to be the president. We know he's building a wall, but what kind of impact is he going to have on the global economy? So I wanted to find out from you guys, is Trump going to crash the global economy, or is he going to cause the global economy to move into the next boom? So I'm going to come back on the Facebook Live on Thursday and tell you what's going to happen, tell you my thoughts, but I wanted to hear from you guys first. So please respond down the bottom, like, love, angry. Give us all your comments. We want to hear people's feedback. Realise this might generate a little bit of activity out there, and that's great. We want to hear what you guys have to say. So apart from that, hope everyone had a great Monday, and we look forward to speaking to you on Thursday, and you're letting you know exactly how we went with it. But enjoy your week. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.